Hello and welcome. In this video I will talk about the fill tool. This is the icon of fill tool. It is like paint bucket tool, fill bounded area. I will show you something about this tool. This tool used to color objects or color sketches. This a simple sketch. I can color it just by a click inside the object or inside the sketch. But there are important things to know about this tool. I will Control Z. Look at this. Grow, shrink by. This is the unit. Make it in pixel, because you can increase or decrease the shrink or grow the fill. You can shrink or grow the fill. Look at this. I decreased or I shrink the fill. Look at this. Control Z. I will increase the fill. Look at this. Very important. Also, look at this sketch. Suppose that there is a small gap in your sketch. I will zoom. Look at this gap. I will return to 100%. Look at this. Return to fill tool. Close gaps. Make it always large, because if you forget some gaps in your sketch, no worry about that. Just it can be colored with this amazing tool. Control Z. I will shrink again. As you can see, it can be used for coloring. This icon used to reset the paint bucket parameters. This is the paint bucket default parameters. Threshold, always make it 0. Threshold means, look at this when I mouse over, the maximum allowed difference between the clicked pixel and the neighboring pixel to be countered in the fill. So make it 0. Always make this visible color. No need to red, green, blue, saturation, alpha. Make it always visible color, and you can color your sketches. This is almost everything about the fill tool. Thank you very much.